Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thanks for tuning in again. Today, we're going to be taking a look at lists in Elixir. We're going to be doing operations on lists as well. So let's do a quick recap. What is a list? A list is a collection of items, and they're denoted using the square brackets. So open and close square brackets. A list can contain a number of elements, and those elements do not necessarily need to be the same data type. So as you can see here, we're adding multiple data types. So what else? Let's do some operations on the list. We can add two lists by using the double plus sign. So here we go. And we can also subtract lists. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we use the double minus sign, we can subtract. And there we go. And that's it for the basic operations, but there's one cool thing that we can do to listen. If you're familiar with destructuring in JavaScript, you'll be familiar with this as well. Let's take our list. Let's say we have L equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want first to be the variable name of the item, the first item in the list. We can put a bar here, which is that long stick under your delete or backspace button, and then we can have whatever else we want here. Let's just call it tail, and we can make it equivalent to L, and this is called pattern matching in Elixir, a very simple form of pattern matching. So we can see that it returns our list again. But if we type the variable first, we can see that it has the first member of the list. And that is what we just did there. We took the head and we left the tail. So the tail, if we type tail, it's every other member of the list. And that is it for list operations. Next time we're going to be doing tuples and keyword lists. So stay tuned. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and please share this video